Ngicela samukele indlovukazi. Ndlovukazi. 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 To be honest, the topic yanamhlanje was motivated by umama. What you stated last week, Mkhulu, about a relationship between abo mama and abo baba, it needs to be fixed. So ingakho sesacela nje ukuthi mawungaba khona ube uwe ozosambisa indlela. Kunjalo ma ukuthole kulento mina nje into engifuna ukuyibeka nje umsusa walento, meaning the cosmic order that we supposed to replicate here on earth. In agreement with the idiom that says as above so is below. Remember ukuthi ilanga lethu, the sun in our solar system, is energized by a star called Sirius star. NgesiZulu sithi indonza. Angazi ke abanye abantu bayibizana. Meaning ukuthi the female energy yiyo that leads. Indonza makuqala unyaka idonsa ilanga, but that is the star that rises before the sun. When the stellar, according to the stellar calendar, the stellar, New Year, indonza, and the indonza align with the 3 stars of the Orion belt on that day. So lento esiyenza la emhlabeni yinto okumele ngabe siya replicate. Isenzo selanga nenyanga, there's never a competition, but kunokusebenzisana. Yinto okumele ngabe ireflector la emhlabeni, whereby uzothola ukuthi abomama nabobaba kuyachayisiswana. Abanye ba demanda equality. Thina ngokwesintu dala sihlonipha. Remember before ukuthi you could never ascend to the throne without marrying a princess. So she gave you right to sit on the throne. It was ukulandela lo mthetho wezulu, that cosmic order. Injalo Makhehla. So ilanga, as I said, ilanga gives out energy, but the moon controls the energy, governs everything. Inyanga governs the water. Our bodies are almost 80% or something, if I'm not mistaken, water. So we are affected by the moon. Ingakho nabo mama kuba nesikhathi kuthiwa isikhathi senyanga. So yizo zonke ke izinto lezo kumele sizibukisise uma silungisa lento. Singayilungisi nje ngokwenyanga. Silungise with a clear understanding of the cosmic order. Because if we were to go according to lo mthetho wezulu nomhlaba, then there will be harmony on earth. Abo mama yibo mina bengithi izolo emhlanganweni, baba are eternal children. Go mama. And the local sikwamukele, because I wouldn't be without my mother. So umama indlovukazi mpela. Ndlovukazi. Bona bayi macrocosm ka nomkhubulwane. Indlovukazi yezulu. Nomkhubulwane uye steering. Fana nasekhaya. Ikhaya elingena mama oqotho. Uyalibona. Chokuthi I-warmth ekhaya ilethwa umama. So manje lengxabano ebekhona ngaphakathi kwethu yinto eyadalwa ngabezizwe. The day basihlukanisa bakuthole na insimi yakho la unomhlaba wakho nenkomo uyisigwili impela bafike ngeibhamu ngoba amagwala beza ngenduku yamagwala otherwise bengeke basikhone injalo and gunpowder we're the first one to discover it but besingayisebenziseli ububi besiyisebenzisela ama rituals ethu when we are connecting to umvelinqano nomkhulu. So manje ke basidifita kanjalo. Imagine ukuthi inkomo zami nomhlaba wami la bangikhiphe ngenkani ngesibhamu. Then bathi mina futhi ngibasebenzele. Evilness. Mina sengilusa inkomo zami kepha sengizilusela bona. So that is the harmony okumele siyibuyisele emuva. Sikhumbule ukuthi singobani. We need to revive the rites of passage. And nalento ukuthi ingane akuyona ingane yami. Ingane yesizwe. Ngoba mawenza ububi, lobo bubi bureflecta kimi. So mele ngukhulise noma mama wakhe engekho. I must be there to make sure. So the will is there among some of us. Kepa is structure. Is structure salabantu, it's so strong and entrenched. Leo mpilo leo kuyomele njengoba siqala la iSoweto. Sithe if we can transform iSoweto, we can then transform South Africa. So iSoweto yiyo okumele sifocus kuyo sonke. And into yokuqala ukuthi singene la kuma economic programs. Ngoba zonke lezi zinto esifuna ukuzenza singanamali, we won't be able to do them. Ngoba makumele senza ama activities ethu la elokishini kumele siyohamba siyosebenza kuye lo mlungu. So we need to free ourselves. La economy. Asifake namabheki, asifake namashop, asifake everything. We have the numbers to change our situation as black people in South Africa. We are more than 40 million. So mesingacabanga ngokufana. Yazi sike sihlangane outside politics. Ngoba politics is divisive by nature. It can never be the only solution to get us into the future. Iqiniso ukuthi siyadingana. Umuntu we-EFF no we-ANC uhlupheka ngokufana. Nalabo ama-BE basenhluphekweni. Because these SPVs are special purpose vehicles. Abafaka enkingeni. Bahleli ngedinge interest, i-debt interest la engaka. So the situation ngeke ize ilunge because we are trying to chase after abelungu. And abelungu are well entrenched. Tina mele si focus on ourselves. The other day benyo phahlela amajiji lapha ukhona ugogo maliyavuza. Hawu ngithola umhlolo lapha ingane she's almost 9 years. Uyasukuma ucomplaina ngento ukuthi esikolweni babafundisa isex and they say they can experiment if they want. 9-year-old. Manje basisaphike labantu laba because bayas destroyer, the little that was left by abelungu. Abantu bakithi bayatreasure even more. How to ufaka njani imfundiso enjalo esikolweni? Okokuqala nje ingane ukhuluma nayo ngesex kanjani? Ngoba indaba kamalume no-auntie leyo ayifuni umzali leyo. Ingane mele ihlale ihlonipha. Manje labantu ngokuthi they are colonized la emakhanda. Isintu to them abasiboni sine value. So it's up to us, yithi, who must change this thing. Akekho umuntu obeka isibhamu la ekhanda ukuthi singayenzi lento. Singayenza. Injalo makhehle. Bengicela nje, bengifuna nje ukubeka lokho ukuthi as we proceed moving forward, rebuilding the broken black family. Sicabange about the cosmic order that we need to replicate for us to create harmony la emhlabeni. Sithi amhlaba, amhlaba, amhlaba. Ngicela indlovukazi angeke. Thokoza.